So it's another day. As you can see, I didn't put any makeup because I've been putting makeup a lot lately for, oh my god, to film. So you just ignore my car. But yes, I just want my skin to breathe, and now I'm gonna go outside with mom like usual. We're gonna do some grocery, get some coffee. We just had biryani, the most amazing biryani ever. It's sunny, cold, beautiful. Look at this. কচু শাক দিয়ে রাস্তা ডেকোরেশন কত সুন্দর। আমরা এখন পাহাড়ের উপরে যাচ্ছি। এটা কচু শাক। Hi. Hi, Mom. We are at Mogoya. So beautiful. Fuck Mogoya. হলুদ হয়ে গেছে সব গাছ, কয়েকদিন পর সব রেড হয়ে যাবে। আমরা অনেক উঁচায় পাহাড়ের উপরে এবার ড্রাইভ করতেছে। এই পাশে পাহাড়, ওই পাশে পাহাড়, এই পাশ দিয়ে এখন আসবো কর্মস্থান, বিরাট বড়। এটা ওদের কর্মস্থান, অনেক বড় অনেক বড়। এখান থেকে শুরু হয়ে মনে করো যে কি বলবো, কলতা বাজারতে মাথার টেক। এই পাশ দিয়ে পার্ক, অনেক সুন্দর নদী, ঝর্ণা, অনেক কিছু আছে এই পাশে। যত দূর চোখ যায় সবই এটা কর্মস্থান। আমাদের ট্রেন, বাস, ট্রেনের মতন লম্বা। তো সবাই মাম্মি ভিডিও করতেছিল। Go. It smells good. তুই কত বুক করবো আমি জানো? We are at this. Getting some coffee for the siblings. Milk in a saucepan, about a liter. We have milk powder, a can of condensed milk or evaporated milk. We have rice, a little bit crushed, or you can blend a little bit. Doesn't have to be any type, but it's your choice. We have blended nuts. We have almonds, cashews. Yeah. Here we have sugar. Have saffron in milk. We've let it mixed a little, and then we have golden raisins, 2 cardamom, we have a few cinnamon sticks, and we have pistachios, and then we have a little bit of ghee. You can use butter if you would like. So after that the milk has boiled a little bit, you can add the rice. So add the cardamom and the cinnamon stick. So you'll continue to let it boil for a good 20-15 minutes. So added also a little bit of raisins, dried raisins, so you can see. So you can add the condensed milk. You'll have to add the entire thing. Stir it a little. So we've added a little bit of water, so you can add a 2 tablespoon water and just mix it. So we'll add it onto the mixture. Add the powdered milk, and now you can mix. Keep on stirring. We wouldn't recommend you to leave the stove or anything. Keep stirring, and because it might burn easily because it's milk and it's on medium high at the moment. Do not put it on high and don't put it at too low either. Now we'll be adding the nut mixture, the blended nuts. Now stir it well. And if you haven't guessed what we're doing, and if I did forget to mention, we're making rice pudding, also known as paesh, phirni. So it's an easy recipe, quick, and that's my dad's recipe. He has been cooking for several years now, maybe 2 decades, so now we just eyeball it, but I'll still give a little bit of, let's say, the recipe will try to convert them to cups and tablespoons measurements. My brother, he sassed me. It's not 2 decades, it's probably 3 decades. So you can see that the rice has a little cooked and the milk has become a little thicker because of the powdered milk, the condensed milk, and the blended nuts. So now we're gonna add ghee and we will add sugar. We're adding ghee right now. So now we'll add the saffron mix for more flavoring, for more color. And if you want, you can add more sugar. It's up to your liking. You can also add rose water. My dad is putting some. It's your choice. So it's done, guys. And I'll just also mention you can add more sugar. It's just we don't eat lots of sugar. My father is diabetic also, so yeah. You guys don't know what we made. It's rice pudding, also known as phirni or paesh. So finally, amra biya bari shahi phirni banano hoyetel se shad hobe khaite. O to shad hobe shad hobe khaite. Yum. So you can put on a huge bowl like this, or you can put on small little pots, and it's cute and it's delicious. So Papa will do a taste test. Go ahead, Papa.
Wow. Fantastic.
Okay, that's good. How, is it sweet?
Yeah.
Sweet, perfect. Reminds of Bangladesh?
Everything is perfect.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching my dad. As you saw, he was cooking rice pudding, so thank you so much for watching him.